Hello viewers, this is Censor Steve, reporting due to a live situation. I will deliver the news about the Israeli airstrike on Iran. This is the Eilat region in southern Israel. Israel's Iron Dome intercepted an Iranian Shahed-136 drone launched by militias in Iraq. This is the Eilat region, showing the interception of a Shahed-136 drone sent by Iran-backed militias. The missile that Iran used to attack Haifa and Tel Aviv this time is said to be the Ahmad Kader Kabar shotgun missile. The United States State Department has ordered people to leave Iran immediately. The United States State Department also instructed that if you cannot evacuate within Iran, you should find a residence or a safe building or place, and stock up on food, water, and medicine. Since the United States State Department has ordered people to leave Iran, it seems that something major will happen in Iran soon. Iran is preparing for ongoing confrontation and has stated that it will escalate its attacks. Iran said that they did not start the war first, but that ending this invasion will be up to Tehran. Netanyahu, the Prime Minister of Israel, has started a war that will lead to the end of his government. This concludes the video. Thanks for watching.